leave the Indo. Kita kangen. Sorry guys, saya gabisa guys. Soalnya my family here in Philippines and I want to competitive again here in Philippines. Ako mau competitive lagi di sini di Philippines. Kalau lihat nanti aja lah. Ya, semoga lah itu. M5, no more M5 dreams. Tapi nyesel gak, Dilar? Gak lah. Because I'm the one who decide to live in Ibo's. Kaya terus kalau kasal, enggak lah. Karena I learned so many things juga di